everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you some best tips where you improve your English. So for a beginner, let's talk about some specific tips that I would like to share with you in this video with some kind of applications too. So try to watch this video probably with tips you would be learning, you would be getting a new, like you would be acquiring new kind of tips and new kind of applications where you just download, you can do practice. So if you're a beginner, you must watch this video. If you're not, you can. I hope you will learn something new that you are not aware of it already. Let's get it started. So very first tip I would like to suggest you, that is to start watching short videos. Short videos on YouTube, nowadays you're watching short video was basic English. Like start from the greeting. Greeting is very important. Like greeting, hi, hello. You understand how you can say hey there and hey, what's up? What's the differences between them? WhatsApp. So WhatsApp is kind of informal. Hi is informal. Hello is like formal. Like so good morning, good evening. These are like formal. You have to learn them. Beside, you have to practice normal phrases like basics phrases. Hello, how are you? Where are you going? What are you doing? Right? And when you will be back. So these are most easy sentences once you listen them every day with the expressions, with the people when they talk to each other. You will understand people's expressions, right? How they are using their hands. So must you understand how and why they are using. So that's very important to quickly. Now there's a lot of like short videos are going on there. So keep there, keep it up, and just keep watching. And the third tip today I would like to suggest you, do not learn very hard vocabularies. Try to learn very basic vocabularies. You don't need to start from phrasal verb. You don't need to start from idiom if you don't know even normal vocabularies. Most of the students, they are start to learn from idioms, long idioms, like phrasal verbs. It's very hard to use, right? Just try to understand basic words first of all. If you have enough basic word, then try to choose. Yes, then try to choose to learn phrasal verbs or idiom. Everything is important in English. First, start from the basic. If your best is best, others everything would be perfect. I do believe. Just remember this one. The fourth tip I would like to suggest you today, do not study a lot grammar in the beginning, as I suggested you already. Only try to improve your tenses, 3 part and then 3 part. I would suggest you 6 part of tenses in the beginning if you're a beginner. So first would be present simple, then past simple, then future simple. So number first tense, like present simple tense, for example, I like reading every day. And in past tense, I read book yesterday. In future, I will read book tomorrow. That's simple, right? So just learn only 3 main important tenses part in the beginning. Later on, if you are finished, you already understood, you figured it out, then try to learn present continuous, past continuous, future continuous, right? Right? That's all. So you have to learn only 6 part of tenses in the beginning. That's all that I suggest you. Nothing even more. Then the fifth tip that I suggest you, you have to start listening. Listening is the best part of English. If you are really good at listening, of course, you don't need to be worried. If you understand something or if you understand someone, then you will be able to respond to someone, right? So it's very important to understand someone. If you understand, now you will be able to respond to them or respond to him or her, right? So start from very short like audios, short videos. Especially there are many basic kind of stories of you can listen them, are kind of cartoons maybe. kind of whatever it's important for you, whatever it's easier for you. So I suggest you start listening very basic podcast or very basic videos that will help your listening too. Okay. So number six tip, I suggest you to watch movies. Watch movies again. I won't suggest you to do very fast, but this time I will add you one more thing. Start with subtitles. Turn on your subtitle, watch movies, right? There are two ways of watching movies. What one is like you can watch movie in English to English with subtitle. Second type of is like you have to watch, suppose you are watching in English but you have subtitle in your own native language, right? Because of most of my students they are doing like that. I'm not sure that would be best for you, because of I won't suggest you to translate anything. But if you are able to improving a lot in that way, then you can go for it, no worries. But I won't suggest you to start from any translations. Start slowly, basic sentences. Try to understand English to English, because of English is completely another language than others. You can't completely translate English to another language. It is not really different. English has different rule, your language has a different rule, right? So I mean, your language have different rules. That's what I think is important. So now we are going to talk about last tip, the seven number tip. I would like to tell you number seven number. So number seven tip number is you have to start making ESL friend or native friend. If you have ESL like English, they have English second language is totally normal. When you talk with them, the most important to practice someone to speaking something. You already improved everything with these tips, with six tips. Now seven tip you have to follow to talk with someone. Find a person to talk with them. That's one of the best ever thing that you will help you to speak, to deliver your thoughts, deliver your opinions, use your old thing that you have been learning through videos, listening, writing, whatever. And the now it will be eight number tip. So eight number tip I will suggest you to learn new vocabularies, normal vocabularies, 5 words, 6 word, write them down, make them practice in different sentences. Practice them 5, 6, 7, like different sentences. Suppose you have one word is acquire. Acquire means to get something. Try to make in a once simple tense, past use in future. You have to learn sentences also, but learn how to use this acquire. You have verb or noun, whatever you have, different verb. Try to learn them how you can use it past, in future, and in present, right? This is that important for you. So that's all the eight tips that I given you today. I hope that will be most important for you. Just try to uh, keep up with them, and do not forget to hit the like button. And if you like that our videos, try to keep in touch with us by subscribing our channel and getting more videos from us. I do believe that you'll be back always to us. If you have any questions, feel free to comment us. I would be very happy. It's like I would be thrilled to help you always. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Love you all. Bye bye.